Well, IFM take a great deal of pride in getting our sensors tested in various laboratory conditions. And those laboratory conditions are often what our customers experience. But today we're going to take that a little further. We're going to do our tests outside.
We are going to be quite extreme with the things that we're doing, very out of the ordinary. We want to have a bit of fun with it too and want our customers to really sit back and get that shocked feeling of still working. Really, can you do that to a sensor?
But we need to make sure that they will survive well beyond the expectations of our sensor, so that our customers have complete confidence in what they'll do. And yes, we probably are a little bit bonkers. We're in the middle of a paddock. What are we doing out here?
Well, going to see some extremes of cables, cable technology, connection technology.
I mean, everyone knows this connection has been fantastic in the food industry, and so how are we planning on showing how reliable they are with shock and vibration and drag chain? What's the plan there?
Well,
what did you have in mind?
I think we might drag it behind this car here.
Drag it behind the car?
Off you go, and let's see how our cables run.
Drive around?
Go for it.
Okay. Well, it looks pretty solid. Well, let's have a look, Glenn. There's the lead.
Lead looks good.
Lead looks great. The sensor looks great. You know, the sensor's actually still working. Look at that. You can see 26 degrees on there.
Fantastic.
It's amazing.
That looks really good.
This connection's all good.
Look at that. That's the connection technology in the jumper.
Yep. And
nice and solid.
Nice. And we could have been going twice as fast, Glenn.
Fantastic. Idea is to get one of our washdown sensor, pressure sensor, connect up with one of our washdown leads to give it a bit of a trial in the ocean.
In the ocean?
In the ocean.
You're going to put the sensor in the ocean?
Absolutely. Throw away.
Really?
Off you go.
All right, okay, there it is. That's gone. Are we going to get it back?
Well, I hope so, maybe with some seaweed.
Right, okay. So what we're really doing here is we're looking at whether or not the cell, the pressure cell, is surviving the shock of the water and being dragged across the sand, the integrity of the cable, the integrity of the buttons and the display from being able to withstand water shock, and sensor looks in perfectly working condition, even to do with how well the seal is here in the ocean. And yeah, that's still working. Hi Glenn, something you might find in any one of our factories: pressure sensor, flow sensor, point level sensor, temperature sensor over here, all connected via our new EVF cables back to our AL iLink Master. So we're going to demonstrate the capability of this instrumentation in a washdown environment. The new AL Master is being made out of plastic. People are concerned, but
yeah, it'd be something you'd expect to be stainless steel.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it performs with the washdown.
Let's give it a go.
Okay. We had a lot of fun doing the, throwing the pressure sensor into the ocean. I thought was probably a bit odd, but it's proved to be very reliable and it's worked every time we did it. So it's been really good.
I like the idea of the washdown as well, seeing the high pressure washing straight onto a device that you wouldn't think could be washed, and having the connector still connected, everything continue working, and high IP rating on the cables themselves.
Well, Glenn, I think we did do some really interesting things and learned a lot on the way, but we've confirmed that the sensors that we've marketed and we produce have met all of the requirements we got them to do today.
Great campaign.